Magandang hapon po ng August 4, 2024 Sunday at ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 p.m. draws ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng August 4, 2024 Sunday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero lumabasan para sa 2D Lotto 5 p.m. 3D Lotto 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng Sunday, August 4, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number ang lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 5 p.m. 'See you again later' for 9 p.m. draw result of Ultra Lotto 658, Super Lotto 649, 3D Lotto and 2D Lotto for August 4, 2024 Sunday. Here are the tonight's jackpot estimates of Ultra Lotto 658 and Super Lotto 649 for Sunday, August 4, 2024. Thank you for watching this 5 p.m. video for August 4, 2024 Sunday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.